Hello YouTube, we're all excited. We're cooking some sliced ham on here. This that ham that's got your whatever, you know, that weave pattern on the skin when they smoke it. You get like you can buy like a quarter of a ham. Lamb Tech knife. I found this on Amazon. It's not spring assistant. It's a totally different part number. So this left to factory is experimental. And I'll take a picture of that where they redid the number. See that? It's not even the same number anymore. Focus. I'm all excited. We burned this yesterday for a test burn, so that's the color it was starting yesterday. So we'll keep it roaring. We needed a pokey stick, so we carved one. So I'm glad that thing's razor sharp. So we're gonna sit back here. It's chilly out. It's only like 45 degrees, but we're dedicated. We're going for it. Right now we have a couple pieces of charcoal in there, the last two pieces we have left, but we're going to add some wood to it. So we got some wood. We'll take a picture of what we splintered up with our knife. Had to baton some wood. Okay, we've got one side done. We'll have plenty of pictures burn. I left the door up a little bit so you can see that. We'll have plenty of pictures of the fire inside. So stay tuned. We're almost done. I'm getting a little chilly out here. About 48 degrees. Okay, we are done. We're going to have a ham and cheese on a biscuit for lunch. Thanks for watching.